Hey, this is Travis Steerwall with Air Power Live, and today we are at the corporate office of Air Power in the Tool Lab. I have a guest with me right over here. It's an interesting day for Air Power. This is the first ever Air Power U, like, University U. So Air Power U, what is that? Today we've got multiple vendors in the plant. We have every single account manager of Air Power at the facility today, and we are trying to and working with multiple vendors on learning about manufacturing trends and emerging technologies. Why? Because we want to be prepared for you, and we want to be able to present you things that you need to know. And by working together, we can get a lot done, right? And today I'm with TJ Hagan. TJ, I'll shake your hand again. TJ's with AIMCO. Who all's with you today here at Air Power?
I'm here with Justin Mason, our salesman in the Southeast.
Now, what is AIMCO bringing to educate today?
Today we're talking specifically about discontinuous drive reactionless tools with data collection. We have specific technologies for battery, air, and electric.
Okay.
And each one of those has the capabilities of having a reactionless torque reaction.
Okay.
And the key to that is having transducerized systems to be able to get the data that tool is recording to their MES systems, for data collection systems and line control systems.
So you've cycled what, 2 groups today?
2 so far.
And there's five total groups. So you've cycled 2. Has it been really good involvement with the group?
Very good. Great questions. Lots of opportunities for sure.
Awesome. Well, thank you for being an partner to Air Power, and we look forward to seeing you out in the manufacturing world.